and you wake up, you scramble down the stairs, open the fridge, and realize you don't have any food, all because you did not follow the simple steps that I'm gonna show you in this video. And my favorite thing about this recipe is you can store these in the freezer and they're perfectly good for weeks. First bite. This is a very simple recipe. Let's just get right into it, okay? We got eggs and our cage-free egg beaters here. We got cottage cheese. This is gonna go in the eggs. Shredded cheese to top off the burrito. We have lean ground beef and lean ground turkey. Here we have our low-carb mission tortillas. And of course, to the side, we got a bunch of seasonings. Let's start off by making our breakfast meat mixture. We got lean ground beef and lean ground turkey. See all that moisture coming out of there? That moisture is preventing us from having good flavor, preventing us from having a good crust. We don't want that moisture. You just want to pat it dry as much as possible. So here are the seasonings we are gonna use. Season heavily, please. Oregano. Oh, dude, this smells amazing. Thyme. Because all we got today is time, huh? You can't do one without the other. Onion and garlic powder. Introduce just a little bit of spice with the dark chili powder. Just a little bit of salt. This is gonna be the best breakfast burrito you ever had. So now, we are going to mix. It's incorporating so nicely. Just like this, you know, mix it up. Once you're done with this, we have the ultimate meat mixture. So now we're gonna sear the meat. We got our pan here. Turning it on. Gonna add a touch of oil to this pan. We're gonna create an even surface across the pan for maximum color, okay? Maximum color. Although this is healthy here, we never wanna give up flavor at the same time. This is gonna brown nicely. It's called the Maillard effect. Essentially where your meat begins to color, it turns brown, and that is what's gonna give you delicious flavor. We're reheating the pan. We're gonna work in batches here. More meat, more batches, more meat, more batches. You don't wanna cook this too long. You don't want it to overcook. You just wanna get some nice color. You want them to be nice big pieces. Now set these to the side. Clean as you go, right? I'm getting my hands clean and the dish is gonna be washed at the same time. We're gonna crack some eggs. We're gonna go 12 eggs. You can also use one egg to break another egg. And now we're gonna add some egg whites. Dude, I added way too much egg whites. I added like half the carton. It's okay. More protein is adding some cottage cheese, so boom. We gotta transfer this to a bigger bowl. Okay, keep whisking your eggs. So we're gonna use the same pan, get it on medium heat, and then we're gonna place our eggs, okay? You want all the flavor and the grease from the turkey sausage that was left over in the pan to now cook the eggs. That's gonna give us an amazing flavor on these eggs. Scrambled eggs is just so easy. I don't even have to say much. You're going for a medium scramble here. You don't want it to be too soft or runny, but you also want it to just slightly hold its shape, so. Once your eggs are set, you wanna season it with some salt and pepper. And if you're liking this video, I'd appreciate it if you could hit that like button, comment what you want to see next, and subscribe for more videos just like this. These are low-carb tortillas, baby. Approximately this much. So here's the technique. You're going to, boom, side, and then you're going to fold over, and then you're going to tuck, 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 and you're just gonna squeeze, squeeze, and then you're gonna use the tin foil itself as well to kind of help you with the roll. And you're just going to fold, boom, boom. There you go, you have a tight breakfast burrito. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heating instructions, you're gonna microwave these for 90 seconds or air fry them at 350 degrees for 5 to 7 minutes. And there you have it, breakfast burritos that you can prep for the entire week. If you're trying to lose weight, this is awesome. Let's try it out with a little bit of the salsa, all right? First bite. Oh my gosh. The flavor of the beef and the turkey sausage with the The different spices we added, the egg is nice and soft. The cheese acts as like a glue. It just combines all those flavors together. This is unreal. You guys need to try this breakfast burrito and let me know if you do and what you think. And I encourage you guys to experiment with this. This is a customizable recipe, meaning you can add onions, you can add bell peppers, really whatever you like. You can even add potatoes to these. And my favorite thing about this recipe is you can store these in the freezer and they're perfectly good for weeks. You'll have breakfast ready to go in a matter of seconds for the entire week. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button, comment what you want to see next from me, and subscribe for more videos just like this. I appreciate all the support. Every comment, every like helps this channel tremendously, so feel free to hit that like and comment.